Intermittent fasting for fat loss. This is the program, this is the nutrition style that everyone should be using. Mental clarity, faster fat loss, better metabolism, quicker. Everything happens quicker, you feel better, your growth hormone levels, they spike, they go up, anti-aging, there is no downside to IF. And what we're gonna do right now is go through 3 big superchargers. I'm Ryan Engel, founder of Ari Fitness. I have built and I specialize in intermittent fasting programs. These are the 3 tips that I suggest you use to put this into your game right now. Let's dive in. Big tip number 1, here we go. This is to break your fast with single ingredient foods. Now remember, IF is just eating within a schedule, within a window. Typically you're gonna eat within an 8-hour window, you're gonna fast for 16. So when you do have that first meal, you wanna break in with a high protein, single ingredient foods. Do not use a lot of highly processed foods. That first meal is very key. So let's move in. Big number 2 right here. This one, drink coffee and caffeine outside the window. You can even drink diet sodas or sugar-free drinks. Here's the core rule. 20 calories is going to put you out of that window. You might get up at 6 o'clock and you might not be eating until noon, right? You can make this work with any schedule, but we need to use like those extras to keep our focus and to give us energy. Caffeine, this is a great one. Let's move into big tip number 3, supercharger. Have a high carb closer meal. So intermittent fasting, remember you're eating on a window, so toward the end of that window, this is when I recommend you take in the biggest calorie high carb meal. This is gonna help you sleep, this is gonna help you spike that metabolism and increase that fat loss. This is IF in a nutshell. What I wanna do is, I wanna offer you a 100% free course. We're gonna sit down, we're gonna cover every single thing there is to know, back to front, including the meals, how to meal prep, and how to take your game to the next level and use intermittent fasting. This course is beginner to advanced. It is 100% for everybody, and it's 100% free, no credit card or anything like that. Tap the link if this course is open, grab it right now, and I'll see you on the other side.